Good morning, all. So, today we will start our day with the subject English, Unit 5. Don't be afraid of the dark poem first. It is a poem that teaches us not to get afraid of dark. अंधेरी से हर किसी को डर लगता है, मुझे भी डर लगता है, बट उससे नहीं डरना चाहिए, या हम क्या कर सकते हैं कि हमें उससे डर ना लगे. Let us read the poem. Don't be afraid of the dark, little one. The earth must rest when the day is done. The sun must be harsh, but moonlight never. And those stars will be shining forever and ever. यहाँ पे द पोएट हमें बता रहे हैं कि हमें डार्क से, अंधेरे से डरना नहीं चाहिए. अंधेरा भी हमारे लिए एक नेसेसरी चीज़ है, जैसे द डे लाइट. जैसे बोला कि अर्थ मस्ट गेट रेस्ट. पूरा दिन सब लोग काम करते हैं, अर्थ भी वर्क करती है. पूरा दिन हम उसके ऊपर व्हीकल्स ड्राइव करते हैं. द एनिमल्स कीप्स ऑन वॉकिंग, वी कीप्स ऑन वॉकिंग ऑन द अर्थ, वी कीप ऑन डिगिंग इट, वी कीप ऑन मेकिंग रोड्स ऑन द अर्थ. बट the earth also needs some rest, and that is why the night is there. The sun must be harsh. The sun जो होता है, it's too harsh to us. Whenever it's a summer, we cannot face its heat. But the moonlight never. But रात को जो moonlight होती है, it gives us peace. It gives us chillness, cold. It gives us mental relief. And those stars will be shining forever and ever. And while seeing the stars sparkling in the sky, we feel it like it keeps on shining forever and ever. Be friends with the night, there is nothing to fear. Just let your thoughts travel to friends far and near. By day it does seems that our troubles won't cease, but at night, late at night, the world is at peace. Be friends with the night, मतलब रात को, अंधेरे को एक्सेप्ट कर लो, उसको अपना दोस्त बना लो, तो उससे डरने की ज़रूरत नहीं रहेगी. Just let your thoughts travel to friends far and near. अपने जो थॉट्स हैं उसको दूर जाने दो, बहुत दूर जाने दो. अपने आसपास तो रहते ही हैं, बट उसको और दूर सोचने दो. गिव इट इज़ एन ओपन बॉक्स. डोंट ट्राई टू मेक यू इन द बॉक्स. डोंट keep your thoughts in the box, let them go out. By day it does seems that our troubles won't cease. डे टाइम में हमें लगता है कि हमारी प्रॉब्लम्स कभी ख़त्म नहीं होगी. बट एट नाइट, लेट नाइट, द वर्ल्ड इज़ एट पीस. बट रात को पूरी दुनिया एकदम आराम से सो जाती है और वो अपनी सारी ट्रबल्स भूल जाती है कि ऐसा कोई प्रॉब्लम भी था, और वो रेस्ट करते हैं. न्यू हार्ड वर्ड्स: अफ्रेड, फीलिंग, फियर्ड. डार्क, with light or no light, without light or no light. Rest, to relax. Harsh, rough or cruel. Forever, always. Troubles, difficulties. Cease, to come to an end. Let us go with the exercise part. What is the poem about? The poem is about how not to get afraid of the darkness. What happens when the day is over? When the day is over, what happens when the day is over? When the day is over, the night comes. What does the earth do when the day is over? The earth takes rest when the day is over. What does the poet want us to do at night? The poet wants us to think about our friends far and near at night. Are these sentences true or false? The poet tells the child to be afraid when it is dark. No, false. The poet says that stars will always shine at night. True. The poet tells the child to think of friends after it is dark. True. Word building: moon and light will make moonlight. Good night. water and fall will make waterfall. Break and fast will make breakfast. Day and break will make daybreak. Rain and bow will make a word rainbow. Find in the poem which is the opposite of word war. War मतलब झगड़ा and peace मतलब शांति. Enemies, friends. Gentle, harsh. Light, dark. Night, day. Start, cease मतलब come to an end. Look at those words in the poem. Don't, want. Here are their full forms. Don't, that is do not. Want means will not. Here are the some words. Write their full forms. Did not. Should not. Would not. Could not. Must not. Let us talk. These are the questions that you need to talk, not to write. Are you afraid of the dark? Why? Yes, I am afraid of dark because I see strange kind of images in the dark. आप और भी लिख सकते हो. Yes, I get afraid in the dark because I hear strange kind of sounds in the dark. What do you do when it is dark? I start screaming when it is dark, or I rush to the switchboard to turn on the lights. Have you ever been very frightened? मतलब डर जाना. Tell your partner about it. When I was alone in home and suddenly there was a power cut for few seconds. At that time I got very frightened. Say aloud. What is the word that starts with T, rhymes with C's and means to playful, makes fun of? ऐसा कौन सा word है? That is tease. What is the word that starts with C, rhymes with near and fear and means easy to see, hear and understand? That is clear. Near, fear, clear. Say, where did the tip of the tongue touch? T. T बोलते हैं तब कहाँ पे टंग टच करता है? देखो तो टीथ के पास होता है. यस, टी. Listen and repeat. Cat. Did you hear what your tongue did? Say these words and feel what your tongue does when you say toe, top, टी, 10. तो यहाँ पे सब जो हमारे अपर जो होता है वहाँ पे टंग टच करती है. What is work in pair? Make the caught sound. I came down, I caughted. K, and caughted again, K. Did you hear the K sound at the end of the word book, K? Repeat. Book, look, neck, duck, chick, sec, clock. All these words start with the same sound. Kangaroo, curtain, king, K, key, kind and kitten. This is just to see that where your tongue touches. Team time. Divide the class into 4 groups. Imagine life without the sun. And what are the things that may happen if there is no sunlight? Discuss with the group and write your ideas in your notebook. If there is no sun, there would be no animals, no plants and no oxygen on the earth. देखो, the plants need sunlight to grow up and the plants and trees only gives us oxygen to take breath in. If there is no plant, there will be no life on earth. Let us write. The red teacup are filled with a particular word. Fill in the yellow teacup with similar sound word. Note the examples given. 2, 1, 1. WON, won. dear, dear, D-E-A-R, sun, sun, S-U-N, sun. Now complete the following sentence choosing the right word. यहाँ पे दो वर्ड्स दिए हैं जिसका प्रोनाउंसिएशन सेम है लेकिन मतलब अलग है. Here टू का मतलब और यहाँ पे टू का मतलब टू. सेकेंड वन, दैट इज़ वन. वॉन, वॉन मतलब जीतना. डियर अलग होता है, वो जो एनिमल होता है. एंड डियर इज़ अ लवली. सन यानी कि बेटा. एंड S-U-N सन मतलब सूरज. The same way, the sum was too difficult for the class to solve. मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा. Only two, T-W-O, two students could do it. सिर्फ दो बच्चों ने उसको complete कर पाए. There was only one boy, एक ही लड़का था, who won the prize, W-O-N, won prize. The golden deer, D-E-E-R, was very dear, मतलब प्यारा, D-E-A-R, प्यारा, dear to him. Ramu's son, किसका लड़का? Son, S-O-N, Ramu's son loved to play in the sun, that is S-U-N, sun. Let's listen. Relax your feet, legs and entire body. Be as quiet as you can. Listen to the sounds around you. Tell your partner softly what you hear and ask, what did you hear? Let your partner talk about or copy those sounds. Read out the following phrases aloud. Divide them into loud and softer sounds. दो साउंड में यहाँ पे जितने भी दिए हैं उनको डिवाइड करना है. जो आपके कान को प्यारा लगे या सॉफ्ट लगे वो सॉफ्ट साउंड में जाएगा, और जिसको सुनते ही कान बंद करने को मन हो जाए वो जाएगा लाउड साउंड्स. या फिर जो सुनने में हमें बहुत ज़्यादा आवाज़ देगा वो जाएगा लाउड साउंड्स. क्लैपिंग हैंड्स, loud sounds. Then a worm moving, कीड़ा, that is soft sound. Stamping feet, that is loud sound. A bird blooming, bird का bloom करना, that is soft sound. A butterfly flying, soft sound. A feather dropping, उसकी तो आवाज़ hardly सुनाई देगी, तो that is softer sound. An ant walking, same way, softer sound. A car moving, that is a loud sound. The wind blowing, softer sound. Shh, whisper, that is softer sound. Tiptoe, that is also a softer sound. A leaf falling, that is a softer sound. These are the sounds that you hardly hear. That is why they are kept as a softer in the box of softer sounds. So this was the poem you have learned today. And I hope you have understood it very nicely. If any query is there, please kindly let us know. And stay at home, be safe, keep learning.